Devi, followed by a long stint in the Government of India. She finally retired as Director from the Ministry of Environment and Forest. She has served Innovate Club Noida in various capacities since last several years. So, please welcome our MOC of the day, Dr. Manju Raina. लगता है किसी ने कुछ खाया नहीं है, तालियों के आवाज आनी चाहिए.
First of all, I will have to excuse my bad mood today. Please bear with me. Good afternoon, everyone. A very warm and gracious welcome to all the respected dignitaries, esteemed guests, and beloved members of our Innerweed family. On behalf of the Innerweed Club Noida, I extend a heartfelt welcome to this very special occasion, the installation ceremony of our Innerweed leadership team for the year 2025-26. This ceremony is not just a formality. This ceremony is not just a formality. It's a celebration of dedication, transitions, and new beginnings. It's a moment to appreciate the journey of the past years and to look forward to a new one, filled with purpose, energy, and vision. हर सुबह एक नया सपना लेकर आती है, हर शाम कुछ अनुभव देकर जाती है. हम साथ चले तो ये सफर आसान हो जाता है, इनरवीड का हर पल खास बन जाता है. Now I invite Sanjeev Nagar to call her our honorary president to dinner and meeting called to order by Sanjeev. Now let's invoke divine blessings to guide our path of service and friendship. I request our district chairman and the team to kindly join for the lighting of the lamp, a symbol of purity, hope, and wisdom. It will be followed by Ganesh Vandana by the children of Bhavya and Benji. जुड़ने वाले हैं. मैं कुछ लोगों के लिए एक शेयर करना चाहती हूँ. कुछ लोग खामोशी से काम करते हैं और अपनी छाप छोड़ जाते हैं. ऐसे साथियों का सम्मान हमारा सौभाग्य है. हर साथ बदलते हैं नाम और चेहरे, और साथ वही रहता है दिलों के सच्चे रिश्ते। आज फिर एक नई शुरुआत है, नई ख्वाब, नई उड़ान की बात। Today we are going to honor and install our new executive body team, starting with Anjali Biswanath as our president. So I welcome children to please come and initiate the inner prayer and invite our all graceful and accomplished examiners to please come and join in this inner prayer. Ask everyone rising, ask is everyone please get up and join in the inner
हम सब में है ईश्वर हरो, हम सब में है तेरे बालक, मिले नाहे इतना कर दो, धर्म और संस्कृति भेदों का मन में नहीं स्थान रहे, सभी मानवों की सेवा का हमें सदा ही ध्यान रहे, आवश्यकता हमें मदद की हो सकती है याद रहे, सेवा करने की जरूरतें जहाँ कहीं भी आन पड़े, सेवा करने के सब जन की तत्पर हम सब डटे रहे, इनर व्हील की शान बढ़ाएं, ये वर हमें प्रदान करो, मानव जीवन व्यर्थ न जाए, प्रभु जी कृपा प्रदान करो। It gives me immense pleasure and pride to stand before you today as we gather to celebrate yet another milestone in the journey of this incredible organization, InnoWheel Club of Noida. The installation ceremony of the newly elected president of the 25-26 charming and hardworking Mrs. Anjali Bindra and her talented team. First and foremost, I extend a heartfelt welcome to our esteemed, dynamic Chief Guest, Mrs. Deepika Gali Ma'am, District Chairman of District 301. Our distinguished dignitaries, Seema Khaitan, our past Constitution and Credential Committee Chairman, and heartiest welcome to the District Chairman Core Team.
She is the DPCC.
DPCC, okay, I'm sorry, okay, for the correction.
District Project Club Coordinator. Okay.
Thank you.
Very important post this year she is holding DPCC.
DPCC Seema Khaitan ma'am ji, welcome. Thank you, ma'am. And heartiest welcome to the District Chairman Core Team. I can see the Chairman Core Team also, Neeraj ji, welcome. And guests, and the pillar of our club, Mrs. Asha Walia ma'am, our club advisor. I also extend a warm welcome to the newly elected core and executive team of IWC Noida. To my dear club members, you are the heart of this soul and of this organization. Your unwavering support, tireless efforts, and genuine love for the club are what keep it thriving. Whether it's long hours behind the scenes, stepping up during events, or simply being there for one another, you have created not just a club, but a family. I'm deeply grateful to each one of you for the spirit and energy you bring in every day. As I reflect on the past 2 years, I I can truly say it has been an honor and privilege to serve as the president of this remarkable club. These 2 years have been filled with learning, laughter, challenges, and most of all, growth. I'm incredibly proud of what we have achieved together, and even more inspired by the legacy we are carrying forward. For 38 glorious, clap for that. This organization has stood tall, built on values, nurtured by passion, and driven by purpose. To be a small part of that history is something I will always cherish. I am grateful beyond words for the opportunity to contribute, to lead, and to be shaped by such a dedicated and visionary community. Now I would like to share the awards that have been given to Innovate Club Noida this year under the leadership of our dynamic past district chairman 2024-25 Dr. Manisha Kaushik. The awards are as follows. In our tenure, we hosted District Intercity Event Virusha, Innovate Bazaar Flea Market, a fundraiser event. We were awarded for First in Women Empowerment, Youth Development and Skill Development Training Committee, First in Innovate Promotion and Branding Committee, Second in Literacy and Education Committee, Second in Environment Care and Animal Welfare, Second in Senior Citizen Welfare Committee, Third in Sports and Physical Fitness Committee, Top Supporter Award in the 40th Triennial Conference. Trophy for maximum number of clubs sponsored. Innovate Club Noida sponsored this year 4 clubs. Trophy for maximum number of clubs sponsored. Got trophy for the active participation and supporting A category. Award for the second largest club in the Association of Innovate Clubs in India. Second prize at the Baisakhi event. Our club secretary Anjali Bindra got the Best Secretary Award. Past President Sumita Das got the award for the Health and Hygiene Committee. I, Ritu Dhillon, President Innovate Club Noida 24-25, won the cookery contest in the President Meet. I also won the title of Miss Rampwalk in the President Meet. I won the Summer Fiesta Queen organized by Innovate Club Rohtak. And lastly, I got the Best President Award 24-25. I request our Chief Guest, Mrs. Deepika Pali Ma'am, and all our dignitaries, guests and members of IWC Noida to take a look at the awards presented at the table after the event. Before I conclude, thank you ma'am, thank you so much, thank you. Before I conclude, I would like to extend my warmest congratulations and best wishes to Anjali Bindra, Club President 25-26 and her team. You are taking up a mantle that carries with it 38 years of passion, legacy and purpose. And I have full faith that you will carry it forward with even greater energy, vision and commitment. May your journey be filled with growth, meaningful achievements, and the same love and support that I was blessed to receive.
all the very best. You have got this. As I move forward, I carry with me not just memories, but deep gratitude for the experiences, the friendships, and the immense trust placed in me. Let us continue to move forward with the same dedication, spirit, and love that has defined our journey so far. And now it's my honor to introduce the President of Innovate Club of Noida for the year 25-26, Mrs. Anjali Bindra. Anjali Bindra is a graduate from Delhi University and holds an MBA degree in HR. She worked with various Indian and multinational companies before leaving the corporate world as Group HR County Head of a leading healthcare and pharma company. She started her entrepreneurial journey in 2021 when she founded Conflux Artworks, specializing in Tanjore artworks, women's ethnic clothing, jewelry, and home decor products. She has been associated with Innovate Club since last 3 years and has been secretary of the IWC Noida Club for last 2 years. Her contribution towards club, social and cultural missions and events have been well appreciated as the following. She bagged Best Secretary Award for the last 2 years, one prize for writing secretary profile in the President Secretary Meet 24-25, one prize for the online contest by Association Secretary awarded at a Trinal event. One second prize at the Baisakhi event 24-25 in group dance performance. Her efforts outside Innovate Club have won her appreciation, naming a few. Awarded Entrepreneur of the Year at the 5th Women Prestigious Awards by Lions Club. Women Entrepreneur Award by Litro Fashionate Foundation. Women Achievers Award towards Excellence in Work by Bold and Beautiful Organization. Sashakt Nari Samriddh Bharat, Samman by IBSEA Mary College. She was featured in Litro Fashionate magazine with top 20 inspiring women on the occasion of Women's Day March 25. Was interviewed by Women, the Achiever Radio Noida at Marwa Studio, and the interview is available on Spotify. On the personal front, she loves to paint and specializes in Tanjore artwork and resin fabrication. She's an avid cook and loves to travel, makes new friends, and be the MOC for IWC events. Congratulations, Anjali, and the upcoming team. Thank you so much. I'll hand over the mic to Manjuji now.
Ritu, for your leadership, compassion and commitment. हर जिम्मेवारी निभाई आपने हंसते हुए, हर मुश्किल को झेला मुस्कुराते हुए। अब जो पंख दे दिए हैं आपने हमें, और यकीन है हम पुणे में शान से। Now I request children of Bagya to please come and give their performance on stage, please.
Hooray! अब हम इंसान इस धरती पर आराम से रह सके, क्योंकि हमारे पास बिल्डिंग्स हैं, फैक्ट्रीज हैं, मॉल्स हैं, इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर्स हैं। हा 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 हा।
मुझसे एहसासों की तुझ में रवानी, मैं ना रहा तो रहेगा न पानी। मुझसे एहसासों की तुझ में रवानी, मैं ना रहा तो रहेगा न पानी। मैं तेरा हिस्सा हूँ, तू मेरा हिस्सा है, मुझसे सुनता है। ना काटो मुझे, दुखता है। ना काटो मुझे, बड़ा दुखता है। हाँ, बड़ा दुखता है। हाँ, दुखता है। ना काटो मुझे, दुखता है।
I am a tree. I give you free environment. I am a tree. I give you medicines. I am a tree. I give you food. I am a tree. I give you oxygen. I am a tree. I give you shelter. Save tree, save life, save earth, save environment.
The most awaited moment of the afternoon, the official installation of our new president. I request our outgoing president Ritu Bindal to kindly pass the order of office and the charter to the incoming president Anjali Bindra, thereby formally transferring the responsibility of leadership. Seat exchange. Let's all congratulate our new president. May you lead with strength, vision and grace. नई सुबह, नई रात, नया सवेरा है। आपके नेतृत्व में नयापन की अंधेरा है। आइए मिलकर चले साथ इस सफर में, क्योंकि अब कमान आपके हवाले है। हर नया सूरज नई उम्मीदें लाता है, नया नेतृत्व नए रास्ते दिखाता है। Congratulations, Anjali. May you go from strength to strength. Anjali Bindra, now you please install your team also. I request you to introduce and install your executive member team one by one. Starting with Vice President Anita Pandey. Keeping together is a process and working together is success, which she has proved beyond doubt. She has been chosen to lead the club for this year, as leadership is not about a title, it's about impact, inspiration and integrity. Welcome, Anjali.
A very good afternoon, everyone. जोश नहीं है आज बिल्कुल। Respected Chief Guest, Mrs. Deepika Bali, District Chairman 301, Mrs. Seema Khaitan, Mrs. Asha Balia, Art Club Advisor, IWC Noida dignitaries on the dais and off the dais, fellow members, distinguished guests and friends. एक अच्छा सा हेलो तो बनता है। अब दिख रहा है जोश। Thank you, thank you. It is with deep gratitude and a strong sense of responsibility that I stand before you today, honored to accept the role of President of our esteemed club. Over the past 2 years as club secretary, I have had the privilege of working closely with our past presidents and committee members, learning, listening, and growing. That experience gave me a front row seat to the commitment, compassion, and community spirit that define this club. It also showed me that leadership is not about titles, but about service, consistency, and collaboration. Today, I step into this new role with humility and determination to continue building on the legacy we have created together and to lead us forward into a new chapter. As President, I hope to foster an environment of openness, inclusivity, and innovation. Whether it's launching new initiatives, strengthening existing projects, or simply listening to each other better, I believe our greatest strength lies in our unity and shared purpose. To my fellow members, thank you for trusting me. To our past leaders, thank you for paving the way. And to our incoming officers, I am excited to work with you for our club and our community. I am thankful to Deepika ma'am for trusting me with the responsibility of organizing ramp walk of all the golden year presidents with the placard of past association presidents at the 41st District Assembly. Thank you for this opportunity, ma'am. We have handed out fridge magnets to all members here. These carry the district chairman's vision of saving water and planting trees, which shall guide our journey this year. Future projects, as suggested by Deepika ma'am, we shall endeavor to focus on quality projects rather than quantity. We are planning a big IWC branding project and shall be working in line with the DC's vision and club's charter. Let's make this year of action, growth, and purpose together. We can achieve great things. As they say, coming together is a beginning. Keeping together is progress. Working together is success. Thank you so much. Thank you for the warm welcome. Now I would quickly like to introduce my team, then the filling ceremony will take place. First of all, Mrs. Anita Pandey, Vice Chairman. Mrs. Anita Pandey is an advocate and mediator at the Supreme Court of India and has over 25 years of experience in the field of law, including advising, drafting, and pleading. She also appears in the high courts and lower courts and handles both civil and criminal cases. She is also chairperson of Prevention of Sexual Harassment at Workplace Committee, POSH, of Gautam Buddha Nagar, and IWC continues experience as she has contributed by taking workshops in POSH and legal matters. She has been president of the club in the year 2022-23. She has also been mentor and guide at the IWC for me. Thank you, Anita ji. Can you please stand up so that people can see you? Please welcome our Vice President. Thank you, Anita ji. Dr. Ritu Dhillon, past President. Dr. Ritu Dhillon, a dynamic leader and social entrepreneur, holds degree in BA, B.Ed, MA, MPhil and PhD from Punjab University, Chandigarh. A former educator at Delhi University, she later transitioned into hospitality and event management while actively contributing to social causes. She is the founder member of Women Making Wonder WMW, an NGO focused on women and empowerment, education, health and skill development across Delhi NCR. As Joint Secretary of RWA Sector 31 Noida, she has led plantation drives, cultural events and vaccination camps. Ritu has been associated with the Innovate Club Noida since 2021. She served as years 23-24 and 24-25. Among her other contributions to IWC are, she also co-hosted District Intercity Event Vasudev Kutumbakam and launched Inner Wheel Bazaar, sponsored 4 new clubs under Inner Wheel. Initiated, started 2 skill development centers for women and flea market. We have a long list of her achievements and awards, but due to paucity of time, we won't be able to name them all. Ritu Dhillon continues to inspire through her leadership, dedication, and drive for community impact. Dr. Ritu Dhillon. Dr. Nidhi Jain, Club Secretary. Dr. Nidhi Jain is a dynamic social entrepreneur and behavioral therapist with over 20 years of experience across public health, research, advocacy, behavioral communication, and project leadership. She has a PhD in geriatrics and is a gold medalist in MSW from Lucknow University, from which she has been awarded 3 gold medals. Wow. She also holds a post-graduation diploma in human rights and social duties and public relations. She has also been felicitated by Akhil Bharatiya Vidyapeeth Parishad Samman Academic Excellence in Social Work, along with multiple certificates of merit in sociology and human rights studies. Professional information. Mom of 2 adorable daughters, Dr. Nidhi has contributed to significant initiatives with organizations such as World Health Organization WHO, SGPGI, and Toxics Link, with a core focus on maternal and child health, reproductive health, and healthcare waste management. For the past 7 years, Dr. Nidhi Jain has been actively pursuing her passion for social entrepreneurship. She is the founder of Florian Creations, a venture that celebrates and promotes the art of authentic Lucknowi chicken curry, with the mission to empower rural women, artisans, and preserve India's traditional craftsmanship. Her business serves as a platform for sustainable fashion and women-led micro-enterprise. We are glad to have her in our team and are sure that she shall contribute immensely to the IWC goal. Dr. Nidhi Jain. Mrs. Himani Ajay Kumar Bhatt, Treasurer. She is an MPom with account and statistics. She has worked with Gujarat distributor and has also served as a Gujarat Mahila Morcha Pramukh. She won state level Garba competition award 2 times and state level drama award. She likes music and dance and playing volleyball. Mrs. Himani. Mrs. Shell Nidhi Dhingra, Club ISO. She is a graduate from Gargi College, DU, followed by GNIIT and NIIT. She has worked at BSNL and also a play school. Her hobbies: she loves to run and has participated in several marathons. She also loves theatre and has performed in theatre shows in LGT Mandi House. She has modeled for jewelry brands like Aura, Jiva, Joy Alucas, and clothing brands like Trends. She loves traveling and making new friends and enjoys her life to the fullest. This is Shell Nidhi Dhingra, ISO. Club editor. She holds a vast array of qualifications, namely MSc, CFT, NLP, PhD Psychology, MA English Literature, certification in Hispanic Healing, Hypnotherapy, CBT. She is a family therapist, counseling psychologist, and runs her own Inner Peace Center in Noida and Jaipur. She has been bestowed with the following awards. Award for Excellence in Social Services by Lions Club Noida. Appreciation Award for Outstanding Performance by Rajasthan Kalyan Parishad. Awarded for serving senior ladies by Smart Bhartiya Nari Sector 36 Noida. Awarded by Young Urja Foundation Noida for Social Service. She has been associated with IWC for last 15 years. And has greatly contributed by organizing CPR and other medical trainings. She likes reading books, writing poetry, music, dance and songs, social work, exploring the world in context of culture and heritage, forming groups to generate happiness, tree plantation and last but not the least, working on inner peace. Thank you, Dr. Leena. Kindly introduce yourself. And I
esteemed interview members, and my dear friends. A heart welcome to each one of you. As I reflect on the year gone by, I extend my sincere gratitude for the opportunity to serve as a club secretary of Noida for the first time. It has truly been an honor to be a part of a team so deeply devoted to service and friendship. Today is a special occasion, a new beginning filled with hope, purpose and dedication. As we inaugurate another promising year of our inner wheel journey, let us carry forward the aim of serving the society through the collective efforts of our dedicated inner wheel members. We have received apologies and best wishes from District Vice Chairman Mrs. Deepika Goyal. Apologies for not attending the event and wishing you all the best. AC Member Dr. Manisha Kaushik shared, good morning dear Anjali. Best wishes to you as you take over formally as a leader of the club, and to the team 2025-26 for a super successful tenure. You will definitely make your club proud. Lots of wishes, blessings and love. District Secretary Mrs. Sugandha Bharti Gupta, she has also sent the best wishes for the installation ceremony. District Treasurer Dr.
Dr. Anju Ahuja had shared, thank you for the invite, dear Anjali. Congratulations and my best wishes for a successful year 2025-26. I am sure you will rock as a president. I'll be missing the celebrations as I'm out traveling. District ISO Mrs. Harmeet Sehgal has also sent her apologies for the same. District Editor Dr. Anshu Singh Dagar has shared, Dear Anjali, I regret to inform you that I will not able to attend inaugural meeting to be held on 22nd July. I appreciate the effort you put into organizing this event and I am grateful for the invitation. I hope the event is a huge success and I look forward to hearing about it soon. District CCC Mrs. Ruchika Gupta had shared, beautifully written. It is indeed a heartfelt handing over of leadership. Congratulations and best wishes to you and your team. Keep up the good work. We are proud to announce that under the leadership of our club president, Mrs. Anjali Bindra, we have completed following projects in July 2025. Support to Senior Citizens Committee worth Rs 14,131. Health and Hygiene Committee 33,500. Environment and Animal Care Committee 13,338. IW Promotion and Branding Committee 3,800. Adding to this, the project of the day is the fridge magnets as you all have received and the planters with branding. The total amount spent for the projects were Rs 71,969. Once again, thank you so much for joining us today. Together, let's continue to be the beacon of service and hope, creating meaningful impact in the lives we touch. Inner wheel की शक्ति बने, साथ निभाएं, सेवा प्यार से नई राह दिखाएं, हाथों में हो हाथ, दिल में हो रोशनी, सजाए मिलकर आओ, सबकी एक सुंदर सी जिंदगी. Thank you so much.
Patience and ever-encouraging spirit, she has been the gentle force behind our achievements. Her thoughtful counsel and unwavering support have empowered us to grow stronger as a team. She is not just an advisor, she is our anchor, our motivator, and our quiet strength.
Thank you, Mataji. आशा मैम. आशा मैम को डिस्क्राइब करने के लिए एक शीट या वर्ड्स बहुत कम पड़ते हैं. शी इज आवर पिलर ऑफ स्ट्रेंथ. कभी भी मैम को कॉल करो, हमेशा चाहे कितने भी बिजी हैं, कॉल नहीं कर सकते तो मैसेज पे जवाब देंगे, बट शी ऑलवेज आंसर्स. थैंक यू मैम फॉर बीइंग देयर फॉर अस. Mrs. Asha Balia has served as president of IWC in 2007 and 8 and as district chairman in 2015-16. She is a veteran who has many firsts to her name, like opening of Innerville District School, officially creating posts of editor in each club, etc. She has many achievements to her name, like promoting adoption of girls. She has a postal stamp in her name and has worked as committee chairpersons of women empowerment. She is the first women president of Rotary Club of Noida. And the list goes on. She likes to listen to Sufi music and read non-fiction books and is an MOC, Master of Ceremonies, par excellence. I would like to close with the following lines for her. Asha ma'am, आपके लिए. ओ पीड़ा नू मैं सीने लावा ते मैं हसदी जावा धुप्पा दे नाल लड़ लड़ के मैं लबिया अपनी अछावा दुख भी अपने सुख भी अपने मैं ते बस ये जाना सब नू समझ के की करना है दिल नू है समझाना तू झूम 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 झूम. Thank you, Asha ma'am, for being there. Now I would like to have you here. Thank you.
नहीं आपने तो मेरे को जितना नहीं गाना थैंक यू मैम.
Hello. Members, please. President Anjali, District Chairman Deepika ji, official team of District 301, Seema ji, DPCC. You have so many titles. इन सालों में जाना चाहिए तो विनर में आपको जाना चाहिए. With every district chairman, with every president, she is always available. तन मन धन से. And Ruby ji and all. हम लोगों के सबने इनका इतना साथ दिया है, इतनी हेल्प की है. Thank you so much. Thank you for gracing the occasion today. I stand here today feeling happy and humble, witnessing the pious meeting of new leadership taking over. Congratulations Anjali and congratulations to all the team members and dear club members for yet one more year of inner peace, commitments and determinations. Believe me, I am at cloud 9, seeing Deepika ji on the highest post of the District 301. I have closely worked with Deepika ji in the year 2015-16. मेरे को याद है आज भी वो दिन जिस दिन इनकी क्लब की सीईओ भी थी. दीपिका जी मेरे को एक डेजिग्नेटेड पॉइंट पे मिली रिसीव करने के लिए. When I opened the car, I saw a beautiful lady adorned with a pink sari. I still remember. And मैं और दीपिका उस टाइम हमने ट्रैवल किया to the project site, to the venue for the installation also. उस रास्ते में जो हमारी दोस्ती बनी और मैंने दीपिका जी को जाना तो I could guess it or judge it कि ये आएगी आगे जरूर एक दिन. And to my great honor that I am here to receive you as a district chairman, this is I think best thing for me and a great honor to me. Thank you Deepika ji. Deepika ji, you are like a Brahm Kamal. Friends, do you know what Brahm Kamal is? Let me explain it to you. It's a rare flower found in the highest regions of Himalayas. It is known to bloom once a year. ऊंची ऊंची चोटियों पर खिलता ब्रह्म कमल, रात की रानी, सुंदर निर्मल, धूप छांव से छुपता छिपाता एक अद्भुत अलौकिक नजारा. ब्रह्म कमल, तेरा क्या कहना, तू तो है एक दिव्य ज्ञान. ब्रह्म कमल तू एक कहानी, पवित्रता दृढ़ता की तू निशानी. Friends, this is what Deepika ji is. मैं इतना ही explain कर पा रही हूँ इतने words में. She has not story. Thank you so much. Friends, Inner Wheel organization is a group of members who celebrate womanhood, who stand up for their fellow genders and who voice for themselves and for the voiceless. You will agree with me that we are the embodiment of divine Shakti and blessed with Shakti and beauty. We are multitaskers. We always celebrate the sacrifices we as ladies make in our daily lives, at homes, at workstations, in communities, as wives, mothers, daughters, teachers, doctors, lawyers, in business houses, in offices, and even as leaders and homemakers. However different we may be, but we share a common future. Innerweave is a platform for all those ladies who have come out of their comfort zones and stood for themselves and became the change they wanted to see around them. We stand up for the cause because we know that we have to stand for ourselves and for the people around us. I want to share an incident with you all. एक बार मेरी पीठ में दर्द के कारण मैं उठ नहीं पा रही थी। डॉक्टर के पास गई। उन्होंने कहा आप झुका मत करो, आज से आपका झुकना मना है और अब और झुकने की गुंजाइश नहीं है, क्योंकि रीढ़ की हड्डी में गैप आ गया था। सुनकर हंसी और रोना एक साथ आ गया, क्योंकि पहली बार कोई कह रहा था झुकना मना है। बचपन में माँ ने कहा था नारी के झुकने से बची रहती है गृहस्थी, बना रहता है प्यार प्रेम। पापा ने कहा था नारी के झुकने से ही रहती है इज्जत और मान। और मैं झुकती गई और मैं झुकती गई, इतना झुकी कि मेरे को भूल ही गया कि मेरी रीढ़ की हड्डी भी है। सोच रही थी बचपन से आज तक कितना क्या फिसल गया, मेरे जीवन में कहां कौन सा गैप आ गया होगा। मेरी अंतरात्मा में, मेरी इच्छा और अनिच्छा में कितने गैप आए होंगे। क्या वास्तव में रीढ़ की हड्डी बनाई है भगवान ने हमारे लिए? मेरे अरमान, मेरी चाहते कितनी खाली हुई होगी और झुकने की गुंजाइश नहीं है, डॉक्टर ने कहा, क्योंकि रीढ़ की हड्डी में एक गैप है और सच में ये गैप आ जाता है तो खालीपन आ जाता है। फ्रेंड्स, we are the Innerweave members. Let us take this home that we as women should stand tall and straight without any bending. Let us roll up our sleeves and put on our best foot forward and be the authentic ones. The great thing about us is that we always say yes instead of asking why. We say why not. Be the authentic selves. Together we form a human chain, and that binds us on the path of truthfulness, righteousness, and consciousness. Together we prevail. We have to be at the right place in the right organization. क्योंकि एक पत्थर टूटकर कंकर हो जाता है और एक पत्थर टूटकर शंकर हो जाता है। We are the Adi Shaktis. We are the power. We are the givers. We are the Innerweave members. Let us enjoy and celebrate our membership. Thank you so much.
Most important profile and दीपिका मैम, जब मैं आपकी प्रोफाइल बना रही थी मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा था मैं क्या लिखूं क्या छोड़ूं। इतना कुछ था लिखने को कि पेपर्स में तो नहीं समा सकता वो। Profile of our district chairman, Mrs. Deepika Gandhi. Okay. मैम इतना कुछ लिखा है। हाँ जी, निधि सर्विस स्टॉप करा दो 2 मिनट के लिए। सर्विस स्टॉप करा दो 2 मिनट के लिए, क्योंकि okay, I'll quickly read the profile. Just 5 minutes, everyone. She has kindness in her heart, service in her hands. She walks where quiet dignity stands. No crown or stage, just hearts she lives. With humble strength and thoughtful acts, she doesn't just lead, she inspires. Lighting others with her quiet fires. A dynamic leader, entrepreneur, and a philanthropist, Mrs. Deepika Bali has dedicated her life to service, education, and empowerment. She is an avid reader and passionate traveler, and a firm believer in the power of positive thinking. She also has a keen interest in astrology and other occult sciences. She strongly believes in following the principle, purpose, passion, progress. Purpose that drives us. passion that fuels and progress that defines us. Deepika ji excelled in academics and sports, representing her school in basketball championships. She holds a master's degree in English literature from Delhi University and a B.Ed from Annamalai University. She is a certified numerologist. Owing to her constant urge to learn new things, she is now pursuing tarot card reading. She believes that continuous learning and self-improvement are essential aspects of life and remains engaged in activities that enhance her knowledge and skills. On the professional front, she has been instrumental in the establishment of WITS, an air hostess academy, partnering with NIIT Limited and successfully running 2 centers and founding of the Balaji Educational Society, an NGO dedicated to skill development and employment opportunities for underprivileged youth. Currently, she oversees administrative operations of her family business while also running a successful sari business in Delhi NCR. She joined International Inner Wheel in 2011-12 and led the Inner Wheel Club of Ghaziabad Royal as its charter president in 2014 and 15. And later entered the district team in 2019-20. She has won many awards and accolades at IWC. To name a few are Rising Star Trophy, recognizing for her exceptional start and rising leadership within Inner Wheel. Most Vibrant President Award, Delhi NCR, awarded Best President Runners-Up Trophy, awarded under the project Asha Kiran for promoting education. As Club Secretary, received Best Secretary Trophy for her dedication and organizational skills. As Education Subcommittee Chairperson, sponsored computers for an e-learning center and coordinated district educational projects. District Chairman's Cabinet Member, assisted in organizing smooth and memorable district events as District Editor. Launched the official first Facebook and Instagram page, also YouTube channel and website. Started innovative official and email IDs with a dedicated server for all 76 club and executives. Released 12 issues of District E-Newsletter Orbit 301 and the Souvenir Palak. Participated in inter-district editors meet and multi-district editors debate as District ISO, International Service Organizer. Hosted ISO meet, Afsana Dostika and Flag Exchange meet, Rubiru. Secured 5 wins at Triennial in Varanasi as District Treasurer. Authored Money Easy, a bilingual English and Hindi e-booklet for club treasurers. Organized a webinar on financial literacy. As District Secretary, efficiently communicated with club secretaries and ensured timely reporting. As District Vice Chairman, mentored and guided vice presidents across various clubs. Outside IWC, she has been a committed member of the Rotary Club since 2008, where work has earned her several prestigious awards, including the club's Best Rotarian Award, the Governor's Elite Award, and the Governor's Special Recognition for her outstanding contributions to the Rotary Foundation, Best Rotarian Award, and Award for Outstanding Contribution in Festival and Family. And believe me, the list is so big that I could not include all her achievements in these pages. Congratulations, ma'am. And जैसे कहते हैं, जैसे आपका नाम सजेस्ट करता है दीपिका, आप हमारे यहाँ दीपक की तरह दीपिका का दीप जलाए हुए हैं। एक शेर आपके लिए। शहर में अंधेरे को एक चिराग काफी है। शहर में अंधेरे को एक चिराग काफी है। 100 चिराग जलते हैं एक चिराग जलने से। 100 चिराग जलते हैं एक चिराग जलने से। everyone, this is our district chairman, Mrs. Deepika Pali. Please welcome her. I would like to invite you on the podium, ma'am. Thank you.
आप लोगों को देख के बहुत अपना सा लगता है. So, namaste and warm Innerville greetings. Club President Anjali Dindra, our very charming District Project Club Coordinator, DPCC Past National Editor Seema Khaitan ji, Club Advisor, Past District Chairman Asha Walia ji. You know, Asha ji has been one of the greatest influence in my Innerville journey and otherwise. The dynamism she carries is a big influence. और अभी आपने नमूना तो सुना ही, जब वो बोलती हैं तो बस मंत्र मुग्ध कर देती हैं. And yes, of course, we do have another inspiring persona sitting here. She is the first lady of Rotary International District 3012 year 2016-17, none other than Ruchika Jain ji. So I am feeling so nostalgic here today because two women who have shaped me, who have helped me grow in Innerville and Rotary, both are here. So I mean I could have not asked for anything else. So Ruchika Bhabi, thank you for everything. And yes, of course, the most important, the vibrant members of Innerville Club of Noida. The energy, the enthusiasm Noida brings to the district is unmatchable. And I would like to welcome Dr. Neeraj Raj from my core team. Despite of rains, she has ensured that she's here with all of us. बहुत सुंदर गणेश वंदना उन बच्चों द्वारा, and also, you know, anything which is on the word save is very dear to not mine heart but everyone's heart present here. सेव कितना छोटा सा शब्द है ना, सेव. हम रोज सुनते हैं सेव वाटर, सेव ट्री, सेव दिस, सेव दैट, बट ये कितना महत्वपूर्ण शब्द है. हाउ इम्पोर्टेंट इट इज, हाउ सिग्निफिकेंट इट इज फॉर द जनरेशंस टू कम इज what we are going to do today will define the future of our children. So we must include the word save in our lives. अभी तक सेव मनी तो लेडीज का रहता ही है, देखो we do it, है ना. जैसे हम पैसे सेव करते हैं ना, फैमिली में सब कुछ लेते हैं, पैसे हैं, अब सब कहते हैं नहीं खत्म हो गया, but we have it. That's how, because अगर if the women decides, no one in this universe can stop the women. It's we who have to decide that it is time to save. It is time to save water. It is time to save precious environment. It is time to save our planet from plastic. Save is the word, I think, which we women have to take home. Keep saying it because we work whole our lives to save our relationships, to save our families, to save the dignity of people around us. Aren't we? To save the reputation of my children, to save the reputation of my parents. So it is only we who can save the planet Earth. And who better than Innerville members? So save is a very important word, and I urge each and every member sitting here of Inner Wheel of Club Noida to include in your lives. Save your health, save your relationships, and what are you saving and doing for Inner Wheel is commendable. Keep doing that. So coming back to the club president, newly installed club president, Anjali Birla. Many congratulations to you. What a fantastic year it has been, 24-25. Right, Anjali? I have seen Ritu Dhillon working tirelessly for 2 years. And the amount of accolades you have got, Ritu, speaks volume of your hard work. Keep up the good work. I would really like to add that with these accolades, when I was hearing, the 2 big responsibilities have also come to Inner Wheel Club Noida. One, that you have sponsored 4 clubs. Now, it is your utmost responsibility to see that these clubs are doing good, working efficiently, because clubs need hand-holding. For a new club, district chairman is a very distant persona. They feel कि ये district chairman से बात भी करनी है कि नहीं, you know. But you being friends with them can help me, can help the district, and encourage them. And second, what a bright star you are of District 301. 194 members, my God. To come second in the whole association is a big achievement. My heartiest congratulations to you. With this, along with Ritu, all the members have the responsibility to ensure the membership, because any dip in the membership will travel from club to district, district to association. Having said that, I am very sure that Ritu, Anjali and all of you these 4 clubs will flourish with your help and sisterly love. And also, I would like also to end my year with Inner Wheel Club Noida's name, not on the second in association, first in association for membership. No seconds this year. ये फोन का स्क्रीन बड़ा दगाबाज होता है, जरा से इससे ध्यान हटा लो, बस ध्यान ध्यान हटा क्या? हाँ, बस नजर हटती है दुर्घटना घट जाती है. So Ritu, keep up the good work and all the very best to you. Friends, Inner Wheel journey is a continuous process. Teams come and go, but the work remains the same. The passion remains the same. Our bhav of seva, our bonds of friendship, they remain the same. Even get better, brighter, beautiful by each passing year. Inner Wheel journey एक खूबसूरत एहसास है. ये सिर्फ एक संस्था नहीं है, बल्कि नारी शक्ति की अभिव्यक्ति है. हर मुस्कान, जो भी समाज में मुस्कान है, हर मुस्कान के पीछे जो खड़ी है, वो इनर व्हील की नारी शक्ति है. So my congratulations to you for being the reason of smiles for many with whom you come in touch, with whom you share your valuable time and energy. Friends, this year is very important year. One, our district was formed in 1985, exact 40 years before. So we have completed 40 years of District 301 and your club has 38. So imagine how valuable your club is to the district and how valuable you are and how important you are as the member of this club. You are as old as the district. No matter you have joined it yesterday, but you have joined a legacy, you have joined an heritage club. Get up, show up, and Noida Club is your identity and Inner Wheel is the seva we do. Let the Noida Club shines. With Noida, Inner Wheel shines. With Inner Wheel, women shine. With women, the service shine. And of course, friendship shines the brightest. Also, हमारे जो कंट्री में एसोसिएशन ऑफ इनर व्हील्स बना था, इनर व्हील जब एक ऑफिशियल बॉडी बना था उसको 50 साल हो रहे हैं. वो 1975 में फॉर्म हुआ था. So we are celebrating grandly the 50 years of association. जो सारे क्लब्स हैं हम एसोसिएशन के अंडर आते हैं सारे डिस्ट्रिक्ट. हमारे कंट्री में 27 डिस्ट्रिक्ट है. दिल्ली NCR is one of them. And I must tell you that 301 has been the one of the premier district. हमारे डिस्ट्रिक्ट से आपने ये शब्द सुने हैं, बट हमारा डिस्ट्रिक्ट ही एक अकेला डिस्ट्रिक्ट है जिसने 4 इंटरनेशनल प्रेसिडेंट्स दिए हैं. हमारे डिस्ट्रिक्ट की लेगेसी बहुत रिच है. इसीलिए हमारे डिस्ट्रिक्ट को और डिस्ट्रिक्ट नोएडा को बहुत कहते हैं ना लुक अप करते हैं. सो वी ऑल आर, you know, what I feel is, I know I've been observing your club from 3 years. I know the biggest of socialites, biggest of all of you are achievers. I was thinking कब खत्म होगा इनका इंट्रोडक्शन. मेरा तो छोटा पड़ा है. So look, the team, and I'm sure for anyone who is sitting here, if she is going to read Anjali, it would not be less than what she read about her team. You all are achievers in your area, your life, your whatever you are working in, your profession, your social causes. But Inner Wheel is something. I've also been associated to many organizations before, but Inner Wheel gave me what I love about Inner Wheel. Why I am here? I was president with Asha ji 2015, and with God's grace, I am standing here in 2025 as district chairman. I'm a very dedicated Rotarian. Ruchika Bhabhi can vouch for that. So can Asha ji. But why Inner Wheel is like मेरे दिल का टुकड़ा? Because Inner Wheel gave voice to my ideas, right? Inner Wheel gave that opportunity. This is that platform which gives us opportunity to work as well as expand the real friendships. Real friendships. Neeraj ji sitting here is an example of real friendship. She is my mother's age, but she is my real friend. So is Asha ji, so is Ruchika ji, so is Shuchi ji. And of course, I mean, all those who I know here are real friends. Seema ji, my God, she has come only. She is doing so much, as Asha ji told me. Even Ruby Bindra ji. So it enriches you. I'm telling you, it enriches you. Inner Wheel जब दिमाग और दिल में घुस जाता है ना, तो उसका जो मैजिक है ना, वो आपको तभी पता चलेगा जब इनर व्हील का रोज एक सिप पियोगे. एंड वो जो सिप है ना, वो पता है क्या है? इनर व्हील को जानना. जितना जानोगे ना, उतना इनर व्हील से प्यार करोगे. और सच्ची बता रही हूँ, एक ऐसी जर्नी है जिसमें ना आप अपने आप को भी डिस्कवर करते हो. What I was when I was 10 years old, what were my hobbies, what I wanted to do. I wanted to dance. और इनरव्हील ने मुझे I have performed in Australia representing my district. Even I was not even in the district at that point, but I got the opportunity to perform in the Innerwheel International Innerwheel Convention. That is a world a platform where the whole world comes, but I was chosen to perform. So only Innerwheel can do it. And I'm very happy that Noida has so much members in its fold. The only thing is that we need to have an Innerwheel team off and on and to know what Innerwheel does. That is the only thing. Otherwise, you know, you people are like, the kind of achievement you have, we can have 10 district chairmen from this club only. The kind of achievers you are. The kind of dedication you have for the society, the kind of feelings you have to do something for you. As women, we have to stand for ourselves also, right? Anyways, highly impressed by the aura, so I can keep going on and on. Coming back to what I'm supposed to say it here formally. Now this year, we have two words, save and nurture. I spoke about save. We have to save our values, we have to save our dignity. What we have to nurture? We have to nurture friendships. We have to nurture relationships. We have to nurture leadership. We have to nurture the feeling of getting inspired by each other. Nurture the feeling of uplifting each other. It is very important because as women, what we can do, nobody else can do. घर में जाके उनको मत सुनाना हिमानी। मेरे हस्बैंड इनकमिंग गवर्नर है, हाँ बताना मत। No, kidding. So Anjali, today is a big day for you, and I must tell you, you have really earned it, and I'm very sure that you are going to lead this club beautifully, with clarity, with heart, and with protocol. And you were listening, I am so impressed with this girl, I cannot tell you. I've had the pleasure of having her in my team as club secretary when I was district secretary 2 years back. And she is one of a kind of a hard worker. You know, you say to Anjali, अच्छा अंजलि ऐसा था, रात को आपके पास वो ऐसा था होकर आ जाता है फोन पे, अच्छा मैम ये ऐसे बोला था आपने ऐसे होगा. So that kind of promptness and that kind of willingness is rare. And yes, you were the best secretary. So my expectations and listening to your team's introduction, the so lengthy introduction, I'm very, my expectations with you and the whole team is supremely high. Okay? So ये टेबल बड़ा से बड़ा कर दो, सब नोएडा में आए अपने साथ, ऐसा कुछ कर दो, ठीक है? But most importantly, that chance, and I know you are very capable of that. And I'm very happy with what you have done today by distributing छोटी सी चीज़ है, फ्रिज मैग्नेट. अगर एक जना भी उससे इंस्पायर होता है, if we can inspire even a single person, we are saving tons of water in a year. A single person can make the difference in saving water. और आप लोग तो खुद एग्जाम्पल हो, सोसाइटी में अपनी वाटर बॉटल कैरी करो ना, अपना नाम वाम लिखवाओ. आजकल तो इतना फैशनेबल चल रहा है सब कुछ. कैरी योर वाटर बॉटल्स विद यू. You must start this trend of carrying water bottle. You can influence the society, you can influence Noida. So I would expect from every member, as I am carrying my water bottle, everybody is carrying their water bottle. Let's make it, I know it is not easy, I'm telling you. Bag bhi uthana hai, you know, you have to look stylish, you have to do everything, then high heels, वगैरह. But once you get into this habit, you know, by sipping water from your own bottle, silently you are making a statement, you are inspiring, you are making people think, अरे ये तो यहाँ भी अपनी पानी की बोतल लाई है, right? चाहे वो पॉजिटिव सोचे या नेगेटिव सोचे, बट अब इग्नोर नहीं कर पाएंगे आपकी वाटर की बोतल. Start doing that. This is something very simple and very important. अब बात करते हैं आने वाले कुछ इवेंट्स की. हम अगस्त में मुंबई में 50th ईयर सेलिब्रेशंस हो रहे हैं और वहाँ पे अगर आप लोग ज्वाइन करें, यू आर मोस्ट वेलकम. टेल योर प्रेसिडेंट अंजलि बिंद्रा, वी विल बी हैविंग, हमारे चारों जोन्स में एक मीट होती है इनोवेल में, जिसमें हमने इंडिया को ना 4 हिस्सों में डिवाइड किया हुआ है, ईस्ट, वेस्ट, साउथ, नॉर्थ. हम नॉर्थ में हैं, नॉर्थ इंडिया में, सो वी कम अंडर नॉर्थ जोन. ऐसे 4 जोन हैं और चारों जोन्स में एक मीट होती है जहाँ पे हर जोन का मेंबर इनवाइटेड होता है. नॉट दैट के अदर पार्ट ऑफ द members cannot come, but that is specially designed and co-hosted by that zone. तो ये वेस्ट जोन मीट है जो मुंबई में हो रही है. मुंबई कम्स अंडर वेस्ट जोन, उनका डिस्ट्रिक्ट नंबर 314 है. ये वहाँ हो रही है. और 5 और 6 सितंबर को नॉर्थ जोन मीट है चंडीगढ़ में, जहाँ पे 301 आपका अपना डिस्ट्रिक्ट को होस्ट भी है. और उससे पहले हमने 3 से 5 जस्ट बिफोर द नॉर्थ जोन मीट हमने एक छोटा सा कसौली का ट्रिप बनाया है, जस्ट फॉर फन. 2 नाइट्स का कसौली और उसके बाद चंडीगढ़ में नॉर्थ जोन मीट. So I would earnestly request you and I would like you to come and become the part of the bigger family, see and spread your bonds of friendship, enjoy करिए, engage होइए. All the details will come to Anjali and it has been already shared, so Anjali can share in your group. And also this year or this moment is not for Anjali. It is for each and every one, because you as a member, you are not only the member, you are in a wheel. You yourself is the change maker. Your opinion, your suggestion, your support means a lot to your club president, to your club advisor and to the district. Because that's how we work. मेरे को अंजलि जैसा सुंदर गाना नहीं आता, बट एक लाइनें जरूर याद आ रही हैं. साथी हाथ बढ़ाना, गाऊंगी नहीं, जो मुझे अच्छा आता वही गाऊंगी. तो साथी हाथ बढ़ाना, एक अकेला थक जाएगा, मिलके बोझ उठा. अगर हम सब मिलके काम करते हैं ना, टीम वर्क जब काम करता है तो पता भी नहीं चलता है काम ऐसे हो जाता. So I would request Noida Club, you already are, I am not saying, because Ritu could not have achieved without your support. Keep it. Now the momentum should be there. Keep it. Now it's time to shine. You are 38 years old club, you have a dynamic club advisor. जो मैं उन्हीं पे आने वाली हूँ, हमारे रिस्पेक्टेड आशा जी. मैं आपको सच्ची बताऊंगी, जब मैं प्रेसिडेंट बनी थी शुरू तो मुझे आशा जी से बहुत डर लगता था. मतलब मुझे ऐसे लगता था मैं इनके पास जाऊंगी, इनसे बात करूंगी, बिकॉज द ऑरा शी कैरीज. बट जैसे इनके पास जा गई तो आज तक इनके पास ही. शुरू में 10-15 दिन हेजिटेशन हुई, बस दैट वाज इट. एक नया प्रेसिडेंट थी और charter president is the founding president, right, of the club. So I was the founding president of the club. तो एक जैसे फाउंडर एक थोड़ा सा आप पे पॉजिटिव बट मीठा बर्डन होता है कि आप फाउंडर प्रेसिडेंट हो, यू हैव टू टेक क्लब अहेड. आपने ये रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी तो ले ली क्लब को फॉर्म करने की, लेकिन वो क्लब चलना भी चाहिए. एंड आशा जी हमें ट्रिप पे ले गई थी. मैं तो फिर कहूँगी आपको भी लेके जाएं और मुझे भी लेके जाएं.
That is very important. That was too
Punjab trip. 10 years have gone, and whenever I have come on mic, I have mentioned it. That was one of the most unforgettable trip of my life. आशा जी, डिस्ट्रिक्ट को एक बार अमृतसर गोल्डन टेम्पल के दर्शन करवा दो बस, ठीक है? और कुछ नहीं मांग रही मैं, बस एक बार हमें गोल्डन टेम्पल ले जाओ, ठीक है? नोएडा तालियां बजाओ अगर आशा जी के साथ जा रहे हैं। आशा जी के लिए उनकी उसके आगे तो कुछ कहना मेरे बस की नहीं है, पर हाँ फिर भी 4 लाइनें मैंने भी लिखी हैं आशा जी आपके लिए। एक और चीज़ बताना चाहती हूँ, इन माई 10 years मैं 14-15 में क्लब बना था और 15 में मैं प्रेसिडेंट बनी, मैं 16 में भी प्रेसिडेंट बनी, क्योंकि फाउंडर प्रेसिडेंट आई हैड द प्रिविलेज। इन 10 सालों में I have not seen any chairman getting standing ovation. She got standing ovation in her last speech. मतलब मैं उस हॉल में प्रेजेंट थी जब तालियों से गड़गड़ा रहा था वो, और उस समय ना जैसे कहते हैं ना मैं माधुरी दीक्षित बनना चाहती हूँ, ऐसे मन में उस समय आ रहा था। मैं तो छोटी सी नन्ही सी प्रेसिडेंट थी, मैं सोच रही कभी मैं ऐसे बन पाऊंगी। सो आशा जी, थैंक यू फॉर गिविंग अस अ डायनामिक हियर। आई रिमेम्बर इट क्लियरली। और आपकी मुझे तो डेट भी याद है, 18 अगस्त इनकी सीओवी थी। और एक और चीज बता दूं, मेरी भी पहली सीओवी थी, और जब ये सीओवी में आई इनकी टेन्योर की भी पहली सीओवी थी। आपने हमें बताया था एग्जीक्यूटिव मीटिंग में कि टुडे इज माय फर्स्ट सीओवी। सो आपकी मुस्कान में एक अलग सी खूबसूरती है जो दिल को जीत लेती है। आपकी आंखों में एक गहराई है जो आपकी ओर खींचती है। आपकी बातों में एक मधुरता है जो मेरे कानों को सुकून देती है। आपकी उपस्थिति एक सकारात्मक ऊर्जा है जो मुझे हमेशा प्रेरित करती है। थैंक यू आशा जी। और क्योंकि ये डिट्टो हो जाएगा, पर रुचिका भाभी, आप जैसा मैंने मेंटोर नहीं देखा है। You and Asha ji have made my life beautiful, and मैं जितना थैंक यू करूँ रुचिका भाभी आपका कम है। रुचिका जी जब गवर्नर थे 2016-17 में, तो मेरे पतिदेव असिस्टेंट गवर्नर थे, एंड या वी हैड द अपॉर्चुनिटी ऑफ गेनिंग सो मच फ्रॉम दिस कपल। और इस नोट पे हालांकि इनर व्हील है, बट मैं एक बार बड़ी इनफॉर्मल कहने वाली हूँ। सुधीर जी को मेरा जरूर नमस्ते कहना।
1 second, I want to thank you, Deepika, for giving me this honor of becoming the Women Empowerment Chair and
Of course.
the culture. I may tell you, मैं सबको बताना चाहती हूँ कि मेरी जियोवीज चल रही है आजकल, तो मैं हर मीटिंग में अपनी इंट्रोडक्शन दीपिका से स्टार्ट करती हूँ। आप किसी को भी मेंबर को पूछ लेना, दीपिका हैज गिवन, दीपिका पाली डिस्ट्रिक्ट चेयरमैन हैज गिवन मी दिस ऑनर।
नहीं सच्ची। और देखो वुमेन एम्पावरमेंट की 2 मेरी यहाँ एपिटोम खड़ी हैं, सीमा खेतान एंड आशा जी। Of course, and you know Ritu, you know it when I did it, and I thought that this is the best committee for you. So तो बस अब तो एम्पावरमेंट कमेटी पहले तो नोएडा को एम्पावर करो और नोएडा सबको एम्पावर करेगा। ऑलरेडी एम्पावर्ड है, ये नहीं मैं कह रही हूँ, बट नए मेंबर्स और जो इनर व्हील का जो जादू है वो चाय पिला दो सबको। अंजलि, सो कमिंग बैक टू यू अंजलि, I have to thank you for what you did in district assembly. The way I was telling कि इनसे एक बार बात करी, I met her and I told her that this is in my mind. And in the night she had sent everything. She had, I mean, जिसे कहते हैं ना कि वो जो शहनशाह ने वो ताजमहल बना था ना, मेरे जो थॉट में था, she could gather that in my 2 lines, and the association president was full of praises. You were fantastic. मैं अपने presidents को हमराही बोलती हूँ. To my हमराही अंजलि, रास्ते खुद बनेंगे जब मन में हो विश्वास, नामुमकिन कुछ नहीं है जब साथ हो अपना प्रयास, हर दीवार गिरती है जब इरादे लोहे के हों, और जीत उन्हीं को मिलती है जिनके सपने तुम्हारे जैसे हों. So shine on Anjali, shine on. So friends, just leaving you with 2-3 lines. Lead with purpose, serve with joy. Let's not wait for the change. Let's be the change. Wishing you all an incredible year, and do not forget to smile and spread smiles. Thank you so much.
वो सीधा आत्मा तक पहुंचते हैं. Just 4 lines for you, दीपिका जी. महफिल में आपकी मौजूदगी से रौनक आ गई, जैसे गुलों में बहारों की आमद हो गई. आपके शब्दों में जो आत्मीयता है वह हम सभी को प्रेरणा स्रोत करते हैं.
So on a standing ovation for our chief guest.
Thank you so much. Now to express our collective gratitude, I now invite Vice President Anita Pandey to propose a vote of thanks. Today I take a moment to shine the spotlight on someone very truly special, our Vice President Anita Pandey. Her vibrant presence, selfless support, and ever-positive attitude make her not just a pillar of strength of our club, but also a cherished companion on this journey. Anita ji.
एक सेकेंड.
देखिए मेरी प्यारी बहनों, आप लोगों की खूबसूरती में मैं इतना खो गई कि मैं एक चीज़ वाकई में भूल गई. अनीता जी इधर आ जाओ. अनीता जी was club ISO with me, and वहाँ से जो बॉन्ड बना है, and she is another gem in your club. So हम अनीता जी कम करते रहेंगे, आपको वाइस प्रेसिडेंट हो, and it is always a pleasure when you are around. बिल्कुल सही कह रहे हो आप, आपके याद करा. थैंक यू मंजू जी, क्योंकि मुझे वहाँ पहुँचते ही याद आ गया कि मैं ये भूल गई हूँ.
Thank you, Deepika ji. Thank you so much. You came all the way to thank me, so thank you so much. I know, friends, it's time now. It's 3 p.m. So I know all of you are hungry. I don't want to come between you and your lunch, but still, few lines. A very warm and heartfelt good afternoon to all. As we come to the close of this memorable inaugural ceremony of Inner Wheel Club of Noida, I stand before you deeply humbled and immensely grateful. चांद भी हैरान है, दरिया भी परेशानी में है, अक्स किसका है कि इतनी रोशनी पानी में है. First and foremost, I would like to express my sincere gratitude to our district chairman Deepika Bali ji for gracing the occasion with her presence and positive energy. Your encouraging words and shining example continue to inspire each one of us. जमीन से आसमान तक रोशन है आपका सफर, जमीन से आसमान तक रोशन है आपका सफर, हर मंजिल पे मिलता है एक नया असर. You truly embody the spirit of Inner Wheel, uplifting, empowering, and ever inspiring. Thank you, Seema Khetan ji, for gracing this occasion. I acknowledge the presence of Ruchika ji, Ruby Pindra ji, Shuchi ji, Sharmila ji,
And Neeraj ji, I forgot to mention your name from district. Thank you so much. I would also like to offer my warm thanks to our club advisor, Mrs. Asha Walia, whose wisdom and quiet strength have always been a source of assurance. चुप रहकर भी जो रास्ता दिखा दे, चुप रहकर भी जो रास्ता दिखा दे, ऐसी मशाल बन जाते हैं कुछ लोग. A very special thanks to our club president Anjali Bindra, whose unwavering guidance and leadership helped this event blossom into such a well-executed, elegant program. रास्ते खुद में खुद आसान हो जाते हैं जब साथ हो आप जैसे रहनुमा तो अरमान सज जाते हैं. Thank you, Anjali. I also want to acknowledge and deeply thank our core committee members, the silent warriors behind the scene from planning to execution. Your collective efforts made today a grand success. To our immediate past president Ritu Dhillon, I extend heartfelt gratitude. You laid the foundation, built the path and set the trends that we follow. जो कल ने बीज बोया था आज वो पेड़ बन गया. जो कल ने बीज बोया था आज वो पेड़ बन गया. आपकी मेहनत का असर है जो हर कोना रोशन बन गया. Thank you. Finally, to everyone who took the time to be part of this celebration today, thank you. Your presence added warmth and meaning to this occasion. Let us carry forward the spirit of Innovate with pride, love and service, and may we continue to rise together as strong women empowering one another. एक नई सुबह, एक नया सवेरा, सेवा और शक्ति का हो ये बसेरा. Thank you all once again from the bottom of my heart. Thank you.
जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता, पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा, विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा. तब शुभ नामे जागे, तब शुभ आशीष मांगे, गाए तब जय गाथा. जन गण मंगल दायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता. जय